Bosch has once again revolutionized laundry care. With the world's first brushless motor with a highly efficient permanent magnet. For maximum performance, economy and quietness, as well as a remarkably long life.
That's all we are, that's all we'll ever be.
With the first drum with asymmetrical baffles and varied drip structures. Depending on the program, the machine either washes particularly gently or particularly intensively, with 2 different drum movements.
The kind of romance, yeah, yeah, yeah. Give me joy and life.
The unique geometric design of the glass door moves laundry back to the middle of the drum, thereby optimizing the washing process. Innovative side panels drastically reduce vibrations and noise to a bare minimum. The new selectable program option Vario Perfect provides either extremely economical or extremely fast washing in every program, and always with 100% cleaning performance. And with the stain removal option, 16 different types of stains can be systematically removed. All this and more is found in the new Logix 8 Vario Perfect. Doing laundry is now more economical than ever before. The continuously variable quantity sensor automatically detects the size of the load, so you only pay for as much as you actually wash. Up to 30% less than a machine with energy efficiency Class A.
And 1, 2, 3, let's listen, hear and
And it's quieter and runs more smoothly than ever before during both the wash cycle and the spin cycle.
when the world is laughing.
Doing laundry now takes less time than ever before, up to 60% less, with 100% cleaning performance.
Just wrapped around us. It's the kind of
The new Logix 8 Vario Perfect with Eco Silence Drive
give me,
for perfect results every time.
give me a handsome tune. It's us, it's we, it's all
Bosch, invented for life.
need you.